Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is very simple quiz, but sometimes people solve in a different way and get the wrong answer. So here we have the four answer and we will solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. Here we have the basic operation like plus, multiplication, and division. We will solve this expression using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method, or you can say the order of operation, and find out what is the correct result. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall what is PAMDAS and BODMAS or BIDMAS. So basically are similar one, but the usually it depends on your region, like which region, in which region you are using this one. So as you can see on the screen, like what these rules says, like these rule says like if you are using the you have any expression which contains arithmetic expression which contains the basic operation, so you have to follow this rule so that you can get the correct result. What is these rule? These rules say that if your expression has any bracket, like you can see on the screen, like we have the rounded bracket, or you can say like curly bracket or square bracket. So you have to solve that part first in that expression. After that, you have to solve the square root or any square is given in this expression. And after that, you have to follow left to right rule and find out division or multiplication. If the division is coming first, so you can solve the division part first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We have to go left to right and find out which operation is coming first. If subtraction is coming first, so you can solve subtraction first. And if addition is coming first, so you can solve the addition first. Now, let's move to the expression to solve these using the BODMAS, BIDMAS, or PAMDAS. So now we have the expression is 3 plus 14 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Like we can solve this expression using BIDMAS, PAMDAS, or BODMAS rule. Now, the rule says like if your expression has any parenthesis or bracket in your expression, so you can solve that part first. But here we do not have any bracket or parenthesis in our expression. So we can skip this step. After that, we have to find out like we have the square root or square in our expression. So as you can see in this expression, we do not have any square root or square. So we can skip this step as well. Now, let's move towards the division and multiplication. So here we have division and multiplication, and either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS and BIDMAS. So don't worry, you have to same precedence using on multiplication and division. Now let's move towards left to right, left to right, and find out which part is coming first. Like you can see here we have 3 plus 14. So we cannot solve this part because the as per rule division and multiplication has uh, like higher precedence than the addition and subtraction. So now move forward and see like which part is coming, multiplication or division. So now we have the 14 multiplied by 3. So this part we will solve first. So as per rule, we have 3 plus 14 multiplied by 3. So 14 multiplied by 3 is 42 and divided by 2, we can write as it is. And here we will give the reference 14 multiplied by 3 equals to 42. Now move forward and again we have to go left to right. Again we do not solve this part. because we have the division in our expression. So first we will divide this part because the division has higher precedence than the addition and subtraction. So now we will divide this part divided by 3 plus 21. Now we can give the reference here equals to 21. Now, again, we have only two numbers, which is going to plus 3 plus 21, which is equals to 24. So the answer of this equation is 20. This expression is 24. Now move forward the answer list. So as you can see, here we have 8 and one is minus 24 and other in is 4 factorial and fourth one is 10. Now we do not have any 24 answer. We have 24, but it's in minus sign. So now see, like this word, find out the 4 factorial. So you will get the answer is 24. So the correct answer of this expression is C. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes my channel. And we will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.